I'm Mama Mermaid here, and this video is for all you newly born mermaids out there. How to take care of your mermaid hair, your colored hair. This is what I'm going to teach you guys today, and I'm going to lay down the 4 basics for you guys. So here we go. So the first tip is to wait like 2 or 3 days, aka 72 hours before you wash your freshly dyed hair. And the reason why this is because when you color your hair, especially us Asian hair, we have to bleach our hair, what happens is that the cuticle layer will actually open up in order to receive pigments, and it slowly closes. Wash your hair after the cuticle is closed because the pigments, once it's closed, is going to stay there and not wash away. So this in turn will actually make your hair color last longer. Tip number 2. Avoid using clarifying shampoo or anti-dandruff shampoo. And the reason why is because there's active ingredients in it that actually strips away the hair color. So for example, when we talk about anti-dandruff shampoo, there's an active ingredient inside called salicylic acid. What it does is that it strips off scalp buildup and also the scales. So in turn, it also strips out the pigments from your color. So it will cause it to be dull. It's also going to change its structure a little bit. So we don't want that. Instead, it's better for you guys to choose specialized shampoos such as color-safe shampoos like this. Or if it's like not to your liking, what I personally also like is just to go back to nature, go back to all of these natural vegan products, and you'll be fine. Another pro tip for you guys when shampooing, focus on your scalp because this is where all the gunk is anyways. And then for your ends, you don't really need a lot of shampoo. All of the shampoo from the top will flow down eventually, and focus on moisturizing the bottom parts of your hair, and that's how you keep your hair fabulous. All of this talk of shampoo brings me to my third point, which is moisturize. I repeat, moisturize. This is something that a lot of people just forget about, because in the end of the day, if you want your color to stay in and look amazing, you have to moisturize your hair. Personally, I feel that moisturizing your hair is more important than finding a good shampoo or the right shampoo, because it keeps your hair locked, the cuticles smooth, so that it doesn't fray, it doesn't release all of the pigments in your hair. So this is really important. So when I say moisturize your hair, I would say bump up the moisture level and the power of your conditioner. Focus on finding good conditioners, and personally for me, I skip conditioning altogether. What I do is get a really heavy duty mask. I personally use our signature phytokeratin, and I replace my conditioning with this mask because it works wonders. I need something heavy for my hair because you guys can see how processed it is, but how amazing it looks just because I put in the extra effort to moisturize the hair. So this is what you need too. One of my favorite pro tips is, if you have vegan dyes with you, which I swear by, add your vegan dye to your conditioner, shake it up a little bit and apply it as normal. It will restore the shine and color of your hair. So try it guys, it works. And tip number 4 is don't wash your hair every day, people. A lot of professional stylists have been talking about this, and it's like when you wash your hair every single day, what you're doing is that you're stripping away all the good natural oils from your hair, the sebum. So if you strip it off, what happens is that it will be really dry. It's not even good for normal virgin hair, what more people who have processed their hair and colored their hair. So try to pace your washing schedules. 2 to 3 times a week is perfect already. So I'm not saying that you should be a Neanderthal and not wash, but keep it at a healthy pace. So those are 4 of Mama Mermaid's most basic methods of keeping your hair color in. If you guys want to know more tips, then click here to find out how you can make sure that this stays fresh all the time. If you guys find these tips useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. It means so much to me, and I'll see you guys next week.